has issued a flash flood warning for Monmouth County. This includes the cities of Long Branch, Asbury Park, Sandy Hook, Burlington County, Ocean County. This includes the city of Toms River until 12:45 a.m. At 8:39 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicates very heavy rain moving into the area from the southeast. Rainfall rates over 2 inches are possible, where the heaviest precipitation falls. Urban and small stream flooding can be expected. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. Tuesday for the following county: Monmouth, New Jersey,